Imagine a 6-year-old in a classroom equipped with several cameras that recognize emotions. This new form of artificial intelligence is being developed to monitor children for classroom compliance and attendance. To what extent do such systems violate a child's privacy? How can this child be encouraged to study AI at university when technology has kept track of his or her movements for years? Misuse of artificial intelligence can have multiple effects. A poorly designed AI system could incorrectly categorize a student as high risk, replicate underlying biases, and undermine human autonomy. Well, it does not mean AI should not be used in schools. For example, abnormal event detection and recognition is potentially useful to help avoid school bullying. The key is we need to promote the good use while at the same time avoid negative impacts. We need strategic policy and technical research on AI to ensure that it is used to protect children and promote their mental and physical development. Children are among the most vulnerable, and it is our duty to make sure they feel safe and supported. That is why UNESCO has embarked on the development of a global legal document on the ethics of AI to protect fundamental rights and build a just, inclusive, and better world for everyone.